Being a successful property manager involves much more than just collecting rent and fixing leaky faucets. In today's competitive real estate market, property managers must balance various responsibilities while staying up to date on industry trends and local laws. There's a lot of customer service involved too. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we'll be diving into 11 tips on how to become a standout property manager. Tip number 1. It's all about staying current. To excel, keep a pulse on the real estate market and local laws. Regular research of market trends is important, as well as networking and continuous education. Number 2. Effective tenant screening. Finding the right tenant is crucial. Always conduct comprehensive background checks and always treat all potential tenants fairly. Number 3. Organization and efficiency. Make use of tech tools and lists and prioritize tasks to stay on top of your game. Number 4. Building and maintaining good relationships with your tenants can't be emphasized enough. Conflict resolution and tenant retention strategies like renewal incentives and community events are important. Number 5. Hone your adaptability and problem solving. The real estate landscape is ever evolving. Be open to change and cultivate a keen problem-solving mindset. Number 6. Always stay professional. Balance being friendly with being firm and always be responsive. Number 7. You don't have to do everything yourself. Sometimes, outsourcing tasks like maintenance or accounting is the best move. Number 8. Be proactive. Anticipate issues before they arise. Regular inspections and preventative maintenance are keys to success. Number 9. Know financial management and budgeting. Even if you outsource, having a grip on budgeting will lead you to make smarter decisions. Number 10. Always be clear in your communication. Active listening and clarity in messaging are vital. And number 11. Be tech savvy. Using property management software like DoorLoop will streamline your processes and keep you ahead of the curve. Property management software has features like tenant screening, accounting tools, maintenance request management, and automated rent collection. Remember, being a successful property manager means wearing many hats and always striving to learn and grow. If you're looking to make your job easier, consider DoorLoop's property management software. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.